I'm risking to tell you the secret technique behind all my pen drawings. The experience of 5 years, I'm breaking it down in 10 minutes. Just to see you transform from this to this, then to something like this. But have you carried the right tools for this battle? I welcome you back to this channel, here at this community where we develop our artistic skills and for the art lovers. As a soldier, you need to carry the right tools for the battle you are going in. And for today, we shall only need this: ball pen, pencil, rubber, masking tape, a tissue, and a cutter. Yes, that's all you will need for this battle. You have heard of hashing, cross-hashing, stripling, and scribbling. To what if I tell you there is a new technique I'm using which your school teacher never taught you, and it's not in any book of the art history? Yes, we are discovering something new. But for the start, you will need the hashing to draw these hair braids. But with the pen drawings, patience pays. If you panic, if you rush the process, you get the wrong results. So Mr. Artist, don't panic. Our main meat of this project starts from here. Yes, the trick, the technique is hidden in the hanky. You'll ask me how, but just be patient, hold on, watch every step here. Don't skip this video. You will see how all the magic works.
I believe that I'm extraordinary artist.
The truth is that I use my ball pen, I rub it, or I try to make strokes on a piece of cloth or a hanky. After I rub it on the surface or the paper, and this helps me to blend my work. In the pencil drawing, they use a brush. Me, I introduced a hanky in pen drawing. The truth is I'm getting tired, but I have to keep pushing. Yes, no laziness here. Lazy boy, go sleep. No way, no way. Mom used to say that.
I don't need anyone's validation to create.
Finally, I feel so exhausted. Pens down. I will see this tomorrow. Oh, it's a new day. With new energy, seeing the sunset, I'm back to proceed with this piece. Yes, as I told you, watch every step on the way. That's how you will learn. And after watching this video, save it and you start practicing. Don't just watch. Watching alone won't help you to learn this skill or this technique. Watch, go practice. At the end of the day, you will see the magic behind. At first it didn't work for me also, but I was so consistent. As an artist, to have a safer mind, take yourself out, have a break. Yes, after doing that, you come back with a new feeling, a new sense of touch, and the passion for drawing will be so high. It is so late and I won't strain. Let me have rest. I will come back tomorrow. Mr. Artist, wake up. It's a brand new day. Read your Bible. I know you're a believer. Since I'm a soul living in a body, I know there is a creator in the Most High who sent me here, so I have to know who is he and worship him when I get a chance before doing anything. God first, God first. Let's pray.
But I pray, Lord, let my artwork touch hearts.
Okay, Mr. Artist, stop smiling. It's time for serious business, so let's go back to work. Here, you will notice the value of the masking tape I was talking about. It helps me to cover some areas where I don't want to make them so dark. I cover them and I first complete these parts which will be darker, then I will visit those parts later.
Everyone can dream again.
The lighter parts.
You send many art messages to me. Lord, let my artwork touch it.
But I don't want to mislead anyone. We still need hashing, the cross hashing, and the scribbling. But I don't use tripling anywhere. Even the cross hashes, no way. So, when you watch here, I use my branding technique I discovered, and I also use the hashing in the darker areas. The same way we do when we are doing pencil work. There are some dark areas where you can't hold a brush and you just need to make the pencil strokes there so that it becomes darker. It's the same approach I'm using here.
Inspire the whole world. On the art road, I won't take shortcuts. Lord, I trust your plans. In the book of Psalms 20, only 5, I will patiently wait.
And if you ever find any hardship when trying this skill or this technique, please reach out, inbox me. I'll help, and I won't charge any cost. I just want you to be a pro. Yes, this community is for helping each other. If you have something, don't hide it. When you die, it will die with you, but keep the candles lighting. You are not the only candle which is supposed to light. Now you can see what I was talking about. I come back in the lighter parts after removing that masking tape.
Some days it's dark for me, but I know a seed is focused to grow in the dark. So I pray to grow and bear many more our fruits for this big world. Let my art inspire the world. Can arts? You are on the road, many fear to work, and you overcome.
I know you are tired and you are saying, why is it taking long? To someone else, this work will take up to 3 weeks, 5. But when I'm using this technique, I only need 1 week.
To walk with them on their simple roads, but I'm here to remind.
Since I'm so committed to this project, today I'm having a night shift, no sleeping at all. Will you stick around with me?
Chopping a branch to cook dinner, so focus on you, let no one lead you astray. Just focus on you, only you. When the night feels heavy on your soul, and silence gets deeper than you know, please keep in mind that loneliness is the price you pay to have a better version of you. They may fail to understand your dreams, or even say you are insane. Just on me, I believe in you. A tree can never grow if everyone keeps on chopping a branch to cook dinner. So focus on you.
Like as I said, this technique is similar to the blending trick in pencil work. So when using it, know when to apply pressure and when to reduce pressure. That's how you get the good results. Yes, we are almost done, and thank you for sticking around. Yes, it's time to see what we have for now. Yes, see the work. You can also do this. All you need is just a simple practice every day. And if you still have some hardships Watch the next video up there, it will help you.
A tree can never grow if its branches are cooking dinner.
Kenny Arts.